It's your brother JR Theodora, and welcome to Uy Ikaw, vlog number 7 or video number 7. What is the date today? The 28th. Wait. Yeah, 28th of July 2026. And after, how long has it been? A week and a half? Finally, nakapag-shoot ako ng video 7. But before anything else, I'd like to say or do some shout-outs. Shout-outs to all these people. Okay? Ang dami nila, grabe. Ang dami. So, let's start with the first page. I think there are like 3 pages that I need to thank people for clicking like, heart, giving heart, or basta responding to some of my posts. But next time I'm only gonna maybe thank the people who will like or who have watched, the video, Uy Ikaw video vlogs that I do. Para konti na lang siguro i-shoutout ko. But first, let's start with this. I appreciate you all for, wala lang, I know it's a social media thing. We really don't care much about the social media, but appreciation is always nice to show, diba? So, Tita Alice Fair from Pangasinan, thank you so much for always liking my videos. You're always, tawag dito, I think always on your phone, which is cool. I'd like to thank Peggy Chua. Oh, Miss Peggy Chua, one of the nicest. Siguro siya lang ang nurse na gusto sa buong GTA. Okay. Regards to Dong Sabanal, Pegs. Also to Ate Avec, thank you always na kiniklik mong mga likes. Thank you for Joanna. Thank you, Sis Joanna. Thank you so much. Thank you for Jeffrey, good Jeffrey Ronquillo. Always, yan, busy yan sa paglalike. Thank you. In English, salamat. Ate Ann Ramos and Ann creates an events and community. Yun natin. Ann creates an events and community. Thank you so much for liking my video as well. It's nice partnering with you when it comes to your events. And many more or many times I will actually attend your event. Kasi enjoy. It's small siya, and I don't know, I like small events kasi the more na parang nagkakaroon ng interaction, nagkakaroon ng focus sa customers na mga potential na pwede mo rin maging kaibigan. So I appreciate that a lot. I'd like to thank Ate Marvs. Thank you so much. In regards to the ticket, I'll reserve that ticket for me, and the payment is gonna arrive. Bayaran ko na lang kapag nagkita tayo. Okay, Ate, thank you so much. And God bless sa iyong event. Kusina na Puldo. Gulatan tayo ulit, Kuya Kuisa. Thank you to Justine. Okay, Justine. Ate Mary Jane as well. Man, itong si Ate Mary Jane, ang bait na tao, and I appreciate you so much. And I'll see you around STC. Junalapan, Kuya Boss Junalapan, thank you so much. I think this, ang daming ipapasalamat ako dito sa video na to. Matthew, bro, thank you. Ate Glenda, thank you. From KML, ayan. Tito Edmundo, babalik ka na next week sa trabaho, kaya get ready ka na rin. Ferdy Sikap, thank you so much. Alan, I keep calling you El Hambre. It's supposed to be Hambre. Ayun, El Hambre, yun ang last name mo. So thank you, bro. Ate Rebecca, hi. One of my favorite people at SCC as well. Thank you. Stephanie Henriquez, I'll see you soon. Marlon Riel, thank you so much. Please stay tuned sa RTJ na lang muna. Hope you understand. And Ate Marisa Romero. Oh, yes, Marisa Romero. Sister Marisa Romero. I can't wait to sana makapag-collab tayo sa mga projects. All right? And to next page, Jason Correa. Ayan. Isang best singer din to si Jason Correa eh. Sana makapag tayo, create pa rin talaga ng boy group na, yung sinabi ko sa inyo, right? And also want to thank you to Ate Lalu. one best coach, one best actress as well. Thank you so much. Sino pa? Sino pa? Ate Anilu. Ito, si Ate Anilu, ano eh, dancer ito eh. Ate Anilu, stay pretty. Isa siyang, I like her beauty, si Ate Anilu. Anilu, yun. Jaden Sofia as well. Ayan, kilala ko yung mga yan. Grabe. Si Barbing Pigod. Ayan. Miss MJ yan. Laurel as well. Laurel. Wow. Mga co-workers ko nagla-like Ed Mart. Okay. Ivan. Ayan. Ate Karen Binaday. Oh my gosh. Ito na ba? Wow. Ang dami Thank you so much. Ang dami. But please next time, I will only say thank you to people who watches my video. Strictly sa Uy Ikaw. So if you want to be mentioned and be appreciated, yeah, like or give a heart. This video is sponsored by EM Guy. Check out EM Guy. I'll put the link below the comments if you want to check out the t-shirts that EM Guy sells. It starts at $15 just for you, but this price is only for GTA people, because you will need to pick that shirt up. $15. It all starts at 15. I'll start the EM Guy lineup specifically for Filipino theme. So get ready, guys. Get ready. Oh, and for your customized order, call EM Guy. Click the link below. So, kumusta na po kayo? We've had a lot of rain, and today actually we're gonna get 5 centimeters of rain. That's a lot of rain all over GTA, if you ask me talaga. I think kanya kakapal or something like that. Oh, buong GTA, that's gonna be a wet road, wet day. Okay, so let's start off with joke time. Okay, so special thanks to my friends again who gave me the dad joke. And if you think you're having fun with my sitting a video like this, and you want to feel like giving me some or sending me jokes, please do so. All right, DM me personally. Don't comment, because people will read the joke that you sent na, so it's not funny anymore. But anyway, dad joke, special thanks to my friends. Okay, here we go. A slice of apple pie is $2.50 in Jamaica. Wagwan. Yeah. And $3 in the Bahamas. These are the pie rates of the Caribbean. Kakatawa naman yun. Right. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana, I pray na mabuti naman kayo. Kumusta po ang stress level niyo sa buhay niyo dito sa Canada? Sana naman is, or prayer ko naman is, okay. Dahil always pakatandaan, magdasal, magbasa ng Biblia, maging good vibes or positive vibes. Pero maski positive vibes ka kapag may negative talaga na nakakasalamuha ka sa buhay mo, nakakahawa eh. Kaya importante na magkaroon kayo ng alone time to walk and talk with the Lord. Okay? Thank you. Joke. News tayo. Guys, I mentioned a while ago yung uulan ng 5 centimeters tonight. Tapos, actually, umulan kagabi. Dito where I am, I think 2 traffic lights talagang off. Talagang out. Can you believe it? Nabaha yung siguro yung kinakatanelan ng mga cables underneath, at saka nakidlatan yung isang tawag dito, transformer ata, kaya no traffic light na nakita ko dito around our area. Scary. Pero I didn't hear anything. Maybe because I like rainy days so much na nakakatulog ako. Pero ako rin yung taong ano eh, I really want to see, lightning. Did you know one of my one list in my bucket list is to actually experience tornado chase down in the US. It's $5,000. It's actually a tourist attraction, and I want to go. And if you think you have the guts and the courage to join me, and you have $5,000, let me know. Let's go together. Pero kapag may $10,000 ka at gusto mo ko ilibre, di tara na ngayon. So yun, new weather. Okay, may tanong ako dito. Naano niyo rin ba na nakita niyo yung sinayna ni Trump na Corvette sa US? I think it was yesterday or today. Napaisip tuloy ako eh. Kasi I'm a Chevy Camaro kind of guy. And because Trump signed the Corvette, nagdadalawang isip ako, sino ba mas mabilis sa dalawa? Ano pipiliin nyo? If you were to pick between these cars, are you gonna get a Corvette or a Camaro? Please share your thoughts. Please share your answers. Okay, so what else? Blue Jays news. Toronto Blue Jays. I really don't know what's going on. Ang dami ng talo. It's not like last year. Kaya ang hirap manood ng Blue Jays ngayon kasi natatalo sila, man. Sad. Another news maybe that I want to share is nasa na yan? Ayun, yung Iran war. Grabe, may 1,800 missiles from the US. Tapos kanina nagpalipad din ang Iran ng maraming missiles. It rained down on US bases. And I don't know, they're not updating us yet, but there's definitely some damages that they received. Kakatakot. Kaya pagdasal natin tong Middle East war, Iran versus US. Israel might join now actually. They're thinking of sending troops, boots on the ground, and the first wave. Ang kulit kasi ng Iran. Okay? Okay, so pagdasal po natin yan. Wag tayong panatag dito sa Canada and then enjoy life. No, we need to pray for them. Okay, we need to pray for everyone involved, especially the POTUS and IRGC, who's killed like 70,000 of their people. I don't know how many people. Can you believe that? Just, for what? Anyway, I don't mean to be political, but this is part of the news that I do. Yeah. Pagdasal po natin sila. Also, in Mississauga, kakabasa ko lang, may swimming pool incident. I think it was a kid ata na in life-threatening condition right now. Let's pray for that child as well because life-threatening. So, paalala ko po sa mga may mga swimming pool dyan at may mga bata nagsiswimming. Please, panoorin niyo po sila. Watch them closely. Maski meron silang life jacket or floaters or whatever you call those things, still watch them like a hawk. And don't drink alcohol while you're watching the kids. Right? Again, I'd like to remind everyone to be aware of all your surroundings po. San man kayo naglalakad, saan man po kayo pumupunta, be aware. Huwag po kayong nasa cellphone all the time, nagmamarites ng mga dapat na hindi imaritesan, unless maybe nagba-Bible study kayo online. For sure, protektado kayo ng Diyos. Pero pag imarites, wala mo si ganito, may shota na, si ganito, ay buntis. Pay attention na po kayo pa uwi. Doon na magchismis sa bahay para for your safety. Get to subscribe dito sa aking page RTJ Productions called Uy Ikaw Vlogs. Okay, so topic natin ngayon is the cost of living. Kasi lately, I've been thinking about, sa pag-retire ko, naks naman retirement agad, Meron pa akong 22 years to actually work pa. So that's a long time. God is good that we will all live healthy. So, but my goal is to retire at a younger age. You know, could be 7 years before the 65, or I think 67 now, the retiring age or retirement age. I don't know, but 7 years before that or 10 years before that is my goal to just not work. Anyway, but I've been thinking about that. So I've been thinking of either siguro moving to the Philippines, moving to US. Cost of living in the Philippines is a decent amount, or medyo above decent, is 800 US dollars to hindi Canadian. 800 to $1,200 US a month. Hmm, sounds doable siguro. Would I or would I not? I'm not sure. What do you think, guys? When you retire, saan kayo? Dito sa Canada or dun sa Philippines or US? Kasi kung ako, maraming definitely still pros dito sa Canada kasi as you know, I'm an amputee. Dito ginagawa ang aking prosthetic. All prosthetics that I use, libre siya. Unlike if I move over there, obviously baka ma-forfeit ano ko, ang qualifications ko, benefit ko to receive these things because I need these prosthetics. In the US, I need to pay. Philippines, I need to pay. So, I mean, hindi naman siya masyadong kailangan paggastusan kasi maingat naman ako. Pero what if yung mga major components that needs to be changed? Yun ang iniisip ko eh. Health-wise, yeah, best is the best right now, I believe, is the Philippines if you got money, and or in the US if magandang trabaho mo at meron kang yung basta nagbabayad ka ng medical insurance mo. Mas maganda ang pagtatrato sa iyo sa US as well kasi marami kang hospital na pwedeng puntahan. Pwede kang mamili. Sa Canada, waiting time is what? 3 hours, 4 hours? I don't know. Even a surgeon or ano tawag dito, specialist, 6 to 8 months ata paghihintay. Sa Philippines, it's almost, I believe, like sa US. Pero US pa rin ang number one when it comes to healthcare. Pero the living part saan ka magiging masaya? Yun ang iniisip ko eh. Hindi ko masyadong kilala ang mga relatives ko sa Philippines kasi I grew up here and I don't know how it's gonna be like. So, I really don't know. Unless I hang out with the Jonah Viray, yung singer ng crush ko. Okay, sorry. Behave. Seriously now. Pero alam mo, inaay ko US. I think I like US eh. What do you think? Or just stay in Canada and be a Canadian. Kaya lang, ang Canada ba? Totoong Canada? Parang ibang Canada to eh. Ano nangyayari dito sa Canada? May umiebak sa park. May nagtatapon ng garbage sa park. Kinakain yung seagull. I know. Guys, kapag botohan na, please let's vote for the right person. Please lang. Preserve natin ang Canada. Okay, seems like my director is saying I should cut na. But anyway, I will talk more about these things as I go along. Like I said, I want to do this like weekly. But hope you enjoyed this video. If you think you want to talk about something, please do let me know. And yeah, once again, if you play any instruments, piano, guitar, ano pa, bass, ano ba isa? Piano, guitar, bass, acoustic guitar, lead guitar. Yeah, or if you're a singer and want to join RTJ Productions, hey, feel free. I'm also gonna create some commercial this August, since my August is gonna be super free. And if you want to join me, guys, don't be shy. Let's do something. Okay, huwag kayong paupo-upo dyan na malaki ang puwet. Oh my gosh. I mean, if you're working, that's fine. But if you want to join, guys, join me, RTJ Productions. I'll share the link below as well. Or actually, my phone number, 647-767-1190. And I'll see you guys. Thank you very much for tuning in to Uwi Ikaw vlog number 7.